Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we will discuss how to use the Shapes tool that is available within the MySawgrass design program. When it comes to shapes you have a couple options available to you. With the standard version of our design tool, you will get access to some basic shapes. This includes options such as circles, squares, triangles, stars, hearts and other commonly used shapes. If you see a shape that you want to work with, select the shape and it will populate automatically into your project template. It will place the shape directly into the middle of whatever template you are using. Once you add a shape to your project, there are several tools you can use to customize and personalize the shape you are using. On the right side of the screen, you have access to a series of positioning, alignment, and layering tools. These tools can be used to further manage the placement of your shape. You can also move your shape manually if you prefer. On the left-hand side, you have the more precise sizing and position tools as well as detailed color tools for both the interior and outline of the shape itself. Another great feature of the Shapes tool is the ability to use any of our shapes as a mask for your project. If you're not familiar with this concept, you can use the mask feature to upload any picture or artwork into the cutout of whatever shape you are using. You can also expand and compress that artwork and reposition it wherever is needed, and it will never overextend the perimeter of the shape you're using. Please be aware that the masking feature works for all our shape options, including the specialty shapes that you get with the premium version of our design tool. We offer specialty shapes, holiday figurines, and a variety of numbers and letters. Shapes are a great way to further expand your design capabilities, and I encourage you to take advantage of them. That's all for today. See you next time.